So I was thinking just the other day, how can I connect with more creators and collab with more people in the YouTube space? And then it hit me. Where I am right now in Solihull, Birmingham, there's loads of creators, but they're not necessarily connected to each other. Not many people speak to each other. Everyone's in their own lane, doing their own thing, creating for their clients or doing whatever it is that they're doing. Or maybe they've got a particular niche and they don't even branch out into other things with other creators. But I was thinking, outside of London, in the UK, I don't know of anywhere that has a YouTube space. You know, those places where YouTube set up specifically for creators to go to and create content. So I was thinking, you know what? Rather than wait for YouTube to recognise Solihull as a place to be for creators, why not just build it ourselves? So this led me to the idea of a call to action for all want-to-be YouTubers, people that are either small, growing, to medium size or to large. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you got, because remember, we don't count on subscribers. Subscribers does not matter to us. It's more about the intent of your channel, the passion that you have behind your channel, and then also the value that you're delivering to your community. So I thought to myself, why don't I just connect with other creators and set up in a way that I can help them and they can help others? Because creative minds need to come together, and I literally believe in you are the 5 people that you hang around with most. So why not hang around with other creators? I mean, that is the main purpose of my channel as well. I want to be around people that have that creative mindset, because I believe that environment that sparks creativity and is constantly pushing you to push the barriers and be innovative, that kind of mindset helps you to do what you need to do to push things to that next level. So what I'm going to be doing over the next couple of weeks is I'm going to be setting up a location where we can all get together and meet. There will be a one-off fast start training session for those that don't have the basics under wraps yet. And there'll also be opportunities for people to get training in videography, photography, all that type of stuff. But one of the main purposes that I want out of this, I want to encourage people to come together and connect with others, rather than people working in isolation around their passion. Let's say if you've got something around, I don't know, like a channel around barbecuing or something like that, but then you've got someone else that's gaming. Even though they don't seem like they're similar, they can connect in some ways, and you can create vlogs out of that. It could be potentially someone holds a barbecue, but also a gaming competition where people turn up, or there's things that you can play with, like you can cross-reference your audiences for different purposes. And that's my whole point. My whole point is you don't have to stay in your lane, in your niche. I encourage people to come together. One of the problems is people often get stuck in staying on the computer screen or on their phone and consuming content rather than actually connecting with real people. Obviously, that's what we do. We help people to generate profit and grow their audience through the use of storytelling on social media. But now the difference is I'm going to be looking to grow my platform with you guys. So it isn't literally just going to be me telling you to go and do this. I'm putting myself in front of the camera, and instead of just being behind the camera, filming someone and giving someone a strategy on what they need to do, I'm going to actually be growing it with you. So we're going to be going through this journey together, and that's what I really want to happen. First, I wasn't comfortable with being in front of camera at all, and I don't really like being in front of camera. But now it's kind of like, I feel like I'm just talking to another person. It doesn't really faze me that much. Although I've still got loads to learn, and you can continually grow, learn and develop and all that, and find more ways that you can get your persona across and get your character across concisely. Is concisely even a word? That's all this video was. This video is just basically an update on what I'm looking to do in the future. Now I'm going to be looking to post at least a minimum of 2 videos per week. One is possibly going to be a tutorial of some kind, and the other is going to be a vlog, or a vlog with a tutorial within it. I'm kind of finding what I like, because at the end of the day, you've got to find what you like rather than just doing something to gain followers, because I'm not about that. Let me know in the comments what you want to see and what you need help with, and also some of the challenges that you're facing. And also, let me know like what your channel is about in the comments. Tell me what you want to achieve. What are you looking to achieve with YouTube? What is your end goal? Those kind of things. So leave everything in the comments below. This is more like a conversation. I want to engage with you guys. I want to talk to you guys and find out what your wants and needs are. That way, when we organise the first meetup, hopefully I can address some of those needs within that meetup. Hopefully this was useful for you guys, and I'll see all you creators real soon.